Come and see this newly renovated townhouse in a great location. Gas burning stove. New patio and new backyard fence. Backyard opens to the woods. Walkout basement. Second floor laundry room. Waterproof floor. Recess light throughout the house. Conveniently located a few miles from the metro and 100 feet from the bus stop. Living in Reston gives you the opportunity to use all Reston's amenities such as pools, walking trails, and much more. 66 and Dulles Toll Road give you easy access to the airport and major HWYs. 1 carport parking, and there is enough unassigned parking for the residents. No shortage of parking. Ct parking is within walking distance. A little playground only 100 feet away. Walkout basement.